Let's settle this once and for all, because honestly, it drives designers crazy. Everyone says, "Oh, you're an interior decorator." No, Brenda, I'm an interior designer. And yes, there is a difference, a big one. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what separates interior designers from interior decorators, what each one actually does, how they work, how much they make, and which one might be right for you or for your home project. And by the end, I promise you'll never mix them up again. And if you do, maybe just rewatch the video. I get it, it's confusing. They both make spaces beautiful, right? But how they do that is totally different. It's kind of like comparing a fashion designer to a stylist. Both care about aesthetics, but one designs the structure while the other styles it up. Both are creative and very important, just in totally different ways. So let's break this down because I think a lot of y'all are confused. All right, let's start with interior designers, my people. Interior designers handle both form and function. It's not just about making things look pretty, it's also about solving problems. So here's what we actually do. We handle space planning, figuring out how rooms flow, how people move, and how to make every square foot work. We create technical drawings, floor plans, elevations, millwork designs, lighting and electrical layouts, all that good stuff. We work with architects, contractors, and trades to bring the vision to life. We select materials and finishes, tile, flooring, cabinetry, hardware, lighting, and we make sure everything meets building codes, safety regulations, and accessibility standards. Basically, we're part designer, part problem solver, part therapist. Interior designers work with construction basics, lighting design, ergonomics, human behavior in spaces, all the nerdy but crucial stuff that makes a home work, not just look good. If a house were a body, the architect builds the skeleton, the interior designer designs the organs and systems that make it function, and the decorator dresses it up. Now let's talk about decorators. Decorators come in after the construction is done. The walls are up, the floors are in. Now it's time to make it beautiful. They focus on the visual layer, the colors, furniture, fabric, lighting, art, accessories, the overall vibe. Decorators are all about style. They know how to pull together a cohesive look, source beautiful things, and make a room feel intentional and elevated. They're basically the makeup artists of interiors. They enhance what's already there. Decorators usually handle things like furniture selection and placement, paint color consulting, drapery, art, and styling. Some even do seasonal refreshes or staging work. So to put it simply, decorators transform the look while designers transform the layout and function. Let's talk about one of the biggest myths in this industry, that you need a degree to become an interior designer or decorator. You absolutely do not. Traditionally, yes, people went to design school, got internships, maybe took exams like the NCIDQ, but that's not the only path anymore. Not even close. These days, plenty of designers, myself included, have built thriving businesses without going back to school. Whether you want to be an interior designer or decorator, both paths require the same core things: a good eye for design, a solid understanding of space planning and materials, the ability to communicate your ideas, and the know-how to manage clients and run a business. None of that requires a degree. It just requires the right kind of guidance and hands-on learning. That's exactly why I created my Aspiring Interior Designer Blueprint, to help you build all of that without spending years and tens of thousands of dollars in school. You'll learn design fundamentals, client process, and the business side of things. Everything you actually need to start your career, and really everything I know to run my six-figure design business. You can click the link in the description to get all the details. So in short, designer equals technical plus creative plus construction knowledge, and a decorator equals creative plus styling plus surface level aesthetics. Both are valuable, but they just live in different parts of the design universe. Here's where people usually get it wrong. Hire an interior designer if you're building, renovating, or changing walls, plumbing, or lighting. If you need drawings for permits, custom cabinetry, or someone to manage the entire process from concept to completion, That is a designer. Hire an interior decorator if your home's already built and you just want a refresh. New furniture, new colors, better styling, that's their zone. Here's an easy example. Let's say you hate your kitchen. If you want to move your island, change the layout, or relocate plumbing, call a designer. If you just want to update your bar stools, lighting, and backsplash color, call a decorator. Different goals, different expertise. Okay, let's talk about what everyone's secretly wondering: the money. Interior designers typically charge anywhere from $100 to $300 an hour, depending on experience and location, sometimes much higher. Some charge flat fees or a percentage of the total project cost, usually around 10 to 25%. And decorators usually charge a little bit less, somewhere around $75 to $200 an hour, or a smaller flat fee. But remember, the cost always reflects the scope. Designers are dealing with permits, technical drawings, and trades. Decorators handle the finishing layer. So it's not that one's overpriced, it's just a completely different level of responsibility. All right, let's bust a few myths while we're at it. Myth number 1, designers only care about how things look. Nope, designers are obsessed with how things work. We solve problems first, make it pretty second. Myth number 2, decorators aren't professionals. Wrong again. Some decorators are incredibly skilled and experienced. They just focus on a different part of the process. Myth number 3, designers and decorators compete. Actually, the best projects often have both. Designers build the foundation and decorators add the magic. Together, they make the dream team. So to sum it up, interior designers handle structure, layout, materials, and construction knowledge. Interior decorators handle aesthetics, styling, and atmosphere. Both make spaces beautiful, just in totally different ways. And if you're watching this because you love interiors and dream of doing this professionally, check out my Aspiring Interior Designer course. It teaches you everything you need to start your design career without going back to school or working for a firm. The link's below, and yes, it's exactly what I wish I had when I was starting out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.